Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. Uh, in this COVID pandemic, our department has started a wonderful online education efforts, and it is the result of this that we are able to learn in English. So today I welcome all of you class 5th students. We are going to learn a very wonderful poem. It's an English poem called Count Your Garden. Okay, now in that we are going to very many nice new words which you can note down in your notebook. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, before we start, we thank God. So fold your hands, close your eyes, and you don't need to close your eyes, but you can fold your hands and just repeat after me. Thank you, God,
Thank you, God,
for the food we eat.
for the food we eat.
Thank you, God,
Thank you, God,
for kind, caring parents.
for kind, caring parents.
Thank you, God,
Thank you, God,
for everything around us.
for everything around us.
Okay, a very good morning again, and let the magic touch your life. Now, here you can see what you can see. Anybody can tell me?
Flowers.
Yes,
Yeah,
flowers.
this is a big. It's a place where we go out, and it's an interesting place with lots of cool air and a lot of flowers, different types of flowers. So now we are going to study something about these flowers also. Now let's see. Now you can see so many flowers. I can You can repeat after me the names: sunflower,
Sunflower,
rose,
rose,
lily,
lily,
daffodil,
daffodil,
aster,
aster,
petunia,
petunia,
hibiscus,
hibiscus,
dahlia,
dahlia,
lotus,
lotus,
marigold,
marigold,
tulip,
tulip,
daisy,
daisy,
pansy,
nancy,
iris,
iris,
aster,
aster,
daffodil,
daffodil,
zinnia,
zinnia,
poppy,
poppy,
jasmine,
jasmine,
bougainvillea,
bougainvillea,
magnolia,
and magnolia.
wallflower,
Yes.
and see you can see all different colors. Which
Yes, sir.
who can tell me the color you can see?
The sunflower is yellow.
Yes.
The rose is red.
Okay. Any blue color flower you can see? You can tell me the any blue or violet color?
Panby. Panby.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
Okay.
panby.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
And
uh,
after,
yeah. So now there are some names. Write the names of the flowers you just saw in the picture before, and right side you can read the list one by one. Aster, after say after me. Aster,
aster,
wallflower,
wallflower,
bougainvillea, zinnia,
zinnia,
petunia,
petunia,
clematis, marigold,
Marigold.
flower,
marigold,
jasmine.
flower,
Jasmine.
jasmine,
Okay, now you just listen and I will tell. Then there is sunflower, there's dahlia, then buttercup, bluebell, morning glory, chrysanthemum, all beautiful flowers, jasper, juniper, rose, lily, shoe flower, hibiscus. So all these are in the garden. So now we can imagine all these children, all those who are youngsters, They are jumping up in joy. Whenever we are happy, we jump up in joy. So now let us start this poem. You repeat after me. Count your garden.
Count your
Count your
garden.
garden.
Count your garden
Count your garden.
by the flowers.
By
By
the
the
flowers.
flowers.
Never by
Never by
by
the leaves that fall.
the leaves
the
that
leaf that
fall.
fall.
Count your days
Count your
Count your
days
days.
by golden hours.
by
By
golden
golden
hours.
hours.
Don't remember
Don't
Don't
remember
remember
clouds at
clouds at
all.
all.
clouds at all.
Count the
Clouds
night
all.
Count the nights
by
Count
stars,
the night
by stars,
not shadows.
by
not
stars,
shadows.
Count your life
not shadows.
Count your life
by smiles,
Count your
by
night
smiles,
not tears.
by
not
smiles,
tears.
not
And with
tears,
joy
not
And
tears.
with joy
on every
And
birthday.
with joy
on every birthday.
Count
on
your
every
age
birthday.
Count your age
by
Count
friends,
your age
by friends,
not
by
years.
the friend,
not years.
not
Okay.
years.
Now you can see this is a lotus flower. Is it troubled at the sun's resplendent light? Now there is this type of a poem you can see many places in the internet also. So like the lotus flower that is born out of mud, we must honor the darkest parts of ourselves and the most painful of our life's experiences. So lotus, it grows in the muddy water. So because that's the same way in our life there are many bad situations which comes that allow us to understand our more beautiful self. So the water surrounds the lotus flower, but it does not wet its petals. So same way you can this this is something. Now let us make a list of fruits and flowers. Answer is flowers: lotus, rose, lily, jasmine, marigold, zinnia, aster, oleander, sunflower, petunia, shoeflower, chrysanthemum, bluebell, water lily, corianthus, daffodil, champa, morning glory. These are all your garden of words. So this is a big garden of all different words of different flowers. You like all different colorful flowers as you have seen. Now I'm giving you some fruits names. Now you can just repeat after me. Apple, guava,
Apple, guava,
plum,
plum,
strawberry,
strawberry,
peach,
peach,
pomegranate,
pomegranate,
watermelon,
watermelon,
orange,
orange,
muskmelon,
muskmelon,
lychee,
lychee,
kiwi fruit, dragon fruit,
kiwi fruit, dragon fruit,
Dragon fruit,
sweet lime,
sweet lime,
papaya,
papaya,
coconut plum,
coconut plum,
coconut plum,
cherries,
cherries,
berries,
berries,
apricot,
apricot,
pineapple,
pineapple,
fig,
pig,
black grapes,
black
grapes,
cashew nut,
cashew nut,
walnut,
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 sweet raisins,
sweet raisins,
pear,
pear,
bananas.
banana,
Okay, now you can see this is a fruit of the in your garden. There is you must have seen in Mataran, Mahabaleshwar, there are strawberry farms. Now you can write the
rose, flowers,
write the flower name and the things you liked about it. Now you just listen and I'm explaining. The picture shows us a rose flower. Now we are going to write about the rose. So rose is called as the king of flowers. It is called the king of flowers. So rose flowers, they come in dark red, pink, white, yellow, purple and light pink colors. Now, rose smell is very sweet. Now, honeybees love the nectar in the rose flower. They go around the rose flower. So Gulkand is made from the rose petals. Now roses are given to sports winners, friends, mother, father, brother, sister, uncle,
Uncle,
auntie, and
auntie.
neighbor. Roses are also kept as decoration, used in bouquet and in weddings. You have seen in the weddings also there are different colorful flowers in the stage and all in the entrance. Roses are given to person who has a birthday party with a gift. Now roses can be also given to make a sick person feel better in the hospital and the homesick people. Now, roses are also given as a sign of welcoming the guests in any government and cultural functions, stage discussions, and in college halls. Now, next, in this poem, Count Your Garden, why do we say count your garden? Now, the answer is we all like to see the different types of flowers that grow up in our garden and fruits too. So, we like to be happy in our planted garden. The gardening care that we all do together in removing the weeds, putting fertilizer, soil, and watering will help the garden trees grow and give us many color flowers. Children, don't worry about going little bit fast. You can pause and afterwards, when the recording is available, you can again write the answer. Now count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. This is the first line. We say that you should count all the flowers and not you should count the oh this leaf fell down, that leaf fell down. Now, these what are the opposite words for day, night,
Night.
garden,
Yes.
desert, hills, valleys,
Valleys.
good, bad,
Bad.
smiles,
Go.
frowns, the kings and the queens. So
Green.
now here, not one king, there are many kings. So as we have added as a plural,
Yes.
uncles, aunties,
Hunting.
always, never,
Neighbor.
happiness, sadness.
Sadness.
Here again we can see so many children jumping up in joy and remembering trying to reach the clouds. Now what do we all need to remember in our life from this poem? We all need to remember that each day in our life brings us with it a golden hour, the place, the golden time where we can do self study, we can do some drawing, we can create something like craft work, like wall hangings. Have you tried? Yes, very good. So we get this golden time to complete our regular online education classes, homework given by our teachers. We all get time to use it in many good ways, like helping our mother in the kitchen and housework in our home, and also looking after the homework of our younger brother and sisters. We all get a chance to show our good work, to do our study by the group WhatsApp class. Now, next, count your days by the golden hours, as we have all discussed before in the before answer. We don't remember that, oh, so much time has gone by. So, we just, what is the important in your everyday lifetimes? So, the answer is the poet wants to show us the opportunity and importance of everything every day in our lifetimes. We must spend our daily golden hours in thinking, meditation, sitting quietly, and just writing our diary. Good thoughts as they come to us. This will help us see ourselves in more positively. Now, children, what does the poet want us to see in the clouds? Clouds, the answer is the clouds means not real clouds, but that part of our memories that have gone through in our lifetime with pain and suffering. So we must try not to rethink as we all become more depressed. Hence, we must forget all cloudy happenings. The poet wants us to move forward with more positivity actively. Now count the nights by the stars. As you can see, children in the screen, there are so many stars we cannot count, but we just see, look at them with different formation of the stars and not shadows. You count your life by the different number of times you have smiled and not the different number of times you have shed the tears. Count your life by the stars in the skyline. What message goes by this poem line? So, a message is given to us that we must not have worries. We children, we should not have sadness in our hearts. We must do our studies and help our parents too. And if we have a small garden inside of our house, then we must daily look after the small plants. They give us flowers. We must have good morning work by ourselves. So we must do neat and clean writing in our notebooks and flower drawings also. Can you try that as a homework? Just as we care for our young plants in the garden. Now count your nights by the stars, not by the shadows. Count your life by the smiles. Now, what are the children in this picture? If they are doing smiles, or what are these smiles showing to you? The answer is the children in the picture are looking up with joy. They are full of joy and happiness. On their faces, there are, you can see, smiles. It is the best golden hour that they are playing together. They are playing together with their friends in the flower garden, full of yellow colored sunflower. There is lots of fresh air. We cannot see air, but we can feel the freshness of the morning air in the garden, and it is clean, fresh surrounding. So that helps the children to enjoy their freedom. Now, children are seen caring for the plants around them just as they care for their own good friends. Plants are being watered by the students, and weeds are removed too by them. Now, in the question number 9, the question is what should we do about the stars? Can anyone read this question number 9?
Yes, sir. Can I read?
Yes,
Answer.
yes, yes.
The poet wants
What
us
should we do
to
about
count
the stars?
the
Answer.
stars.
The poet
This
wants us
another
to count
way
the stars.
of
This
saying
is
that
another way of
counting
saying that
stars
counting
are
stars are equal to the number of
of
birthdays
birthdays
and good
and
events
good
that
events
have happened
that
to you.
have
Just be
happened
happy
to just
in
be
this.
happy in these memories.
Okay, now students, I will request you that when you hear any one voice, all others will not say. Only one student will say. Okay, what
Yes.
are shadows?
Sir,
Shadows
can I say
means, you repeat after me. Shadows means
shadows means
those happenings
those
Those
happenings
or
happenings
accidents
or
or
accidents
we
accidents
had to suffer
we had to
you
suffer
have to
along
suffer
with the diseases
along with the
the
diseases
of
diseases
childhood.
of
of
childhood.
childhood.
Very good. We must not remember
We must not remember
Not to
as too much thinking
as too
as too
much
much
thinking
thinking
on them
on
brings
on
on
them
them
brings
brings
back greater pain.
back
by
greater pain.
greater pain.
So we are told to keep thinking
We are
We
told
are
to keep
told
thinking
of
thinking
good times.
of good
good
times.
times.
Very good, excellent. Now, I just listen. What do you understand by smiles and tears? The words given in this poem. Now, these smiles are all good happenings and gifts that we got from our parents in childhood. Now, these good things we did with our friends in the school and nearby homes should be counted as positive minds. Never we must think on bad shadow events. Now you can see the list of what you do every day. So now in this answer, we I will tell you the getting started early in the morning. The morning is brushing the teeth, having your daily bath, and changing into clean clothes, having your morning tea, milk and breakfast, reading free press newspaper in the mobile, doing morning yoga or silent personal meditation, only 10 minutes. Go to remove pebbles, dead twigs, weeds, dead leaves from the garden pots. If you have grown any pots, garden in the kitchen garden, and water the plant. Not much, just one glass of water for it. And as the air is moisture, is the rainy season, so extra water is not needed. Now wash your hands in the proper way. You have learnt in the school hand wash proper way. Now wipe them dry and sit down with your study books and read the English language download which you have done. You have downloaded the textbook in your mobile. That you can do after you're finished seeing with your English, do your maths and science test and worksheet and homework. So this is your short timetable. Count your garden. Now we are looking to the questions and answers. Now the following things are mentioned in the poem. Classify them as happy and sad things. On the left side, happy things only. You repeat after me. Flowers,
Flowers,
golden hours,
golden hours,
Golden hours,
stars,
stars,
smiles,
smiles,
friends
smiles,
in your life.
and
friends in your life.
Now we look the opposite side of the list, which are the sad things. They are the falling leaves,
Falling leaves,
falling leaves,
clouds,
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 shadows,
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 tears,
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 passing years.
passing
passing
years.
years.
Very good, excellent children. Now answer the following. Count your garden. We have to complete the sentence. The answer is by the flowers. Now count your
By the
life.
flower.
The fill in the blank is count your life
Smiles,
by
not tears.
smiles, not tears. What should we not remember at all? This is the question. So answer is we should not
We should
remember.
not remember the dark clouds at all.
Very good. Name a few other things that people often count.
Parents help,
Parents help, teachers help to friends, faith
faith
in
in
God.
God.
Okay. Now, you count your age. What you should count your age? You should count your
We
age.
should count
We
our age by
should
numbers
count
of
our
friends
garden
we
by
have.
flowers.
How should we count our garden? We should count our garden by
We
the
should,
flowers in
We
it.
should count our garden by
we
flowers in
should
it.
Now,
count our
we rhyme.
garden by
Question number 4.
flowers in it.
Now we are looking at question number 4. These are the rhyming words, examples. You can write it down later, children. Number 1 is flowers, hours. It rhymes.
Hours,
Tall, all,
all,
tears,
years,
years. Now question number 5 is the meaning. So in the golden hours, it means the
Happy moment.
happy moments,
moment. Very good. And the next word is shadow.
shadow.
So it
Gloom.
means
Shadow
gloom.
meaning is glooms.
Okay.
Gloom.
And with joy in every birthday, we count our age by the friends, not with the years. You can see what you can see. You can describe in one sentence.
And
What
with joy on every birthday,
what are these children celebrating? What are they doing?
birthday,
Yes,
They are
wonderful.
celebrating.
They're celebrating one girl's birthday now. Okay. Now reading the sentences below. It's a field with lots of green pasture. So now plain is a plain area. It is filled with lots of green pasture, grass. This plain ground, which you can see with in the background, it can be used to make multi-purpose flower beds, garden. In geography, we learn this plain as a flat, sweeping landmass that generally does not change much in levels and elevation. Such flatbed areas near cities are good for use for nature parks, garden or flower development. Now, for the homework, students, your question number 1 is write down the noun words seen in this poem and make the sentence using the each word. Question number 2, make a list of rhyming words that you have learned. Any 10 rhyming words you can think of. Question number 3 is the right opposite words for known, life, weakness, sick, and give. Question number 4. Here a little write 10 sentences. You have to write 10 sentences which you remember that we have discussion about all the good work that you did till your 10 years of age. Now there is a small hint. This is more of than myself essay. Remember, you have written myself essay. So remember and write something more about the garden and write on the many good occasions where you felt happy and happiness lasted in your last 10 years, one event for each 10 years. Now, I thank you, students, for all the
Thank you,
wonderful
sir.
time.